Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get lots of water in Farmland Temu. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. There are so many ways to get water in Farmland Temu. Firstly, you can get water through daily check-ins. Simply check in once a day to claim your reward. Next is by doing tasks and goals. You can earn more water by doing your tasks and goals daily. Third one, you can earn by watching video ads. You can watch video ads when they are available. After watching the ads, you can earn your water. The final way is upgrading water well, which will give you more water when it refills. So these are the easy way to get water in Farmland Temu. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.